Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, we are going to create some letter effect or text effect using blend option or blending option. So let's begin. We need to create some curves using pencil tool, or you can use any tool that you want to create curves. For example, you can also use pen tool. So first of all I'm going to use the pencil tool and I'm going to create some letters. So first make sure that the double click on the pencil tool and make sure that the smoothing level is to the highest, kept to the highest. So it is already to the highest. So I'm going to press OK and create some letters. So for example, I'm going to create this letter L. Now you can create outline using ready-made shapes, but make sure that the shape isn't complete. If it is complete, then our effect won't work, that I will show you later on. But for now, just make sure that the path is not completed fully, like this, like circle or any other shape. Make sure that it is not fully completed. So then again I'm going to use the pencil tool and I'm going to draw O. Now you can use pen tool. So I'm going to create V. So that is okay. Press escape. Now lastly I'm going to create E. So this is my letters, or you can create any shape that you want. Now second thing we need couple of circles. So I will create couple of circles. I will make copy of the same circle using Alt or Option key and drag it. Now I'm going to apply gradient. So I'm going to delete this and first I will apply gradient, and I'm going to use this default gradient. I will delete these points. You can choose different variation of colors or different colors. I'm going to stick with these same colors that are already there, and I'm going to switch this and turn off the outline, and I'm going to copy this now. Alt or Option and left click to copy, and now select to blend this. Select both the objects, go to object. You can also use same option, blend option over here. Where is it? It's here, blend option, but I'm going to use the menu, object, blend, and first go to blending options, and we need specified steps. 150 is already there, so I'm going to keep it to 150. You can choose higher number like 200, 250, but for now 150 is enough for me. So I'm going to press OK and again go to object, blend and make. So it will create a nice blend, and it is important to use gradient while creating these shapes, otherwise our effect won't work. So I'm going to copy this so that we don't have to keep it, or we don't have to create it again and again. So I'm going to make a copy. Now select both these objects, this curve and this blend. So press shift and click to create, or to rather select multiple objects. Now again go to object, blend and replace spline. So that is how it will look. Again I will make a copy, alt copy, again shift plus click to select multiple objects, again blend and replace spline. So what happens, I will shift this a little bit, and let's say if I want to take this end at the bottom, so select simply using the direct selection tool, select the object and right click, arrange and send to back. So it will replace the end. Again if you don't want it, right click, arrange, send it to back. Now again same thing, shift, object, blend and replace. So this is how it will look. Now what happens if I apply to a completed circle or completed shape or a closed path? This is a closed path. So what if I apply to this? So it won't be completed, the blend, that is. So object, blend, so this area will remain empty. That is why we need to keep a little bit spacing between the two ends. So this is the last object, so I'm not going to create any more copies. So select object, blend, replace. So this is what we get, a nice 3D looking objects. Now if you want to make it more interesting, change the background color using the rectangle tool. I'm going to color black, right click, arrange, send to back. So this is how it looks. We get a nice 3D objects using simple steps. You can use different colors, different shapes, and it will be all worth it. Just give it a go. It's a lot of fun. So do try this out. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.